Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can fix the WSL registration distribution failed error on Windows 10. This error appears after you've downloaded Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store and are trying to run it on Windows 10. To fix the error, what you have to do is you have to open the control panel and select Programs. Select the Turn Windows Features On or Off option, and in the list of Windows features, scroll to the end until you find Windows Subsystem for Linux. Enable it and then click OK. You're going to have to restart your system. And once you restart your system, you can run the Ubuntu Linux app again and it's going to install without any problems. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.